2, 1, go!
We may have finished lunchtime, but lunchtime isn't over for these teams. We've got taco, mac and cheese, and barbecue, making this the tastiest match yet. As Lady Cans fills up their robot, heads over to the Red Alliance field. Mac and cheese still trying to fire into the Blue Alliance hub. Purple Rain emptied their robot into the Blue Alliance hub already. It's advantage blue as we head into the teleoperated period. Taco storms into the middle of the field, followed closely by the Mavericks, hung up a little bit on fuel. Looks like Purple Rain may be stuck along with their teammates, Mac and Cheese. Taco pushes them both free. Purple Rain not quite there. As Lady Cans refills their robot in the neutral zone, they need to get back over to the Red Alliance so that they can make use of this shift. Mavericks struggling with some fuel of their own as Lady Cans scores for the Red Alliance. Barbecue trying to reload their robot, but it's Taco loading fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. An endless stream emanating from their robot. They need to go refill. Purple Rain not quite full enough to score yet. Taco trying to line up for another volley. Oh, Purple Rain and Taco both firing into the Blue Alliance hub. Lady Cans is full and waiting. They line up with the Red Alliance hub, trying to get the jam free. They can't quite get the balls fed into their flywheel. There they go. They've broken it free. They aim at the Red Alliance hub and they fire and they make it. Followed by the Mavericks with a helpful volley of their own. Slight Alliance blue, but it's still plenty of time left in the match for that to change. Purple Rain tries to cement their lead by aiming at the Blue Alliance hub and firing, followed by Taco. Taco getting pushed around by Barbecue. We thought this was one big happy family, but it's Purple raining on the parade. Lady Cans full again, lined up for the Red Alliance hub, waiting for endgame. 30 seconds left in the match. Purple Rain firing into the Blue Alliance hub. Lady Cans once again fighting feeding issues. If they can break this free, they can turn it around. The Mavericks aiming and firing for the Red Alliance hub. Taco trying to refill their robot, shuttle it into the Blue Alliance field. Purple Rain trying to get lined up and fire into the Blue Alliance hub, and they do with 10 seconds remaining in the match. Mech and Trees trying to get their loaded fuel fired in the Blue Alliance hub as Purple Rain is up. Lady Cans doesn't quite make it to the tower in time. Victory 131 to 69. And with the conclusion of match 4, that wraps up round 1. The Blue Alliance wins this round and they move on to the upper bracket to round 2 in match 8, while the Red Alliance drops down to the lower bracket to fight their way from round 2 in match 6.